We have some big news coming in. Latest on the NCB charge sheet in Sushant Singh Bollywood drug case. Statements of Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Deepika Padukone are now part of the charge sheet. Rhea Chakravarti has been named as the accused in the charge sheet here. We did mention that Rhea Chakravarti is also one of the accused. Now we get the latest information from this NCB charge sheet on Sushant Singh Rajput's Bollywood drug case. Statements of Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor and Deepika Padukone are all part of this charge sheet. Rhea Chakravarti has also been named as an accused in this charge sheet. More information coming in. Divyesh joining us live for more. Divyesh, take us through the charge sheet and what it mentions. We're looking at statements of Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Deepika Padukone also entered in that charge sheet. It's a 30,000-page charge sheet by the NCB and 33 people have been named, including one of the accused as Rhea Chakravarti.
Nabila, in hard copy, NCB has submitted 12,000 pages, while 40 to 50,000 pages have been submitted in a pen drive. There are 200 witnesses whose statements have been added to the charge sheet. Other than that, 33 who've been charged under various sections of the NDPS Act, which includes Rhea Chakravarti, her brother Kovik Chakravarti, and two staffers of Sushant Singh Rajput, Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda. There are various other drug peddlers who were arrested over a period of 6 months since the case was taken over by NCB, who've been charged in this charge sheet, which also includes some foreign nationals who have been charged by the NCB, who were part of a drug syndicate and were peddling drugs, were part of a drug syndicate that was functioning in Mumbai, somewhere connected to the drug peddlers who were directly peddling drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput, supplying drugs to Sushant Singh Rajput, through Rhea Chakravarti, through Dipesh Sawant, through Samuel Miranda. And as of now, what we've learned that all the drug peddlers who've been arrested were somewhere or the other connected to each other, and that is why they've been booked in the city.
Divyesh, I'm going to come back to you here. We're looking at almost 30,000-page charge sheet filed by the NCB, in which we understand that statements of Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor have all been entered. Now, let's take you through exactly what the top stars admitted. Deepika Padukone was summoned. She was summoned, questioned about a certain chat. She did admit to the 2017 drug chats, but denied completely of supplying any drugs and, of course, sharing drugs at all. Sara Ali Khan said, on the other hand, that she, in fact, smoked with Sushant Singh Rajput, but denied taking any drugs. And then she also says that she visited Sushant Singh Rajput's farmhouse for parties. And then you have Shraddha Kapoor, on the other hand, who admitted to getting CBD oil, saying that CBD oil is only for external use, but denied any consumption of any drugs here. So these are the stars in their statements that have been entered in the charge sheet, which the NCB is currently probing into. Saurabh Akhtania joining us live from Mumbai as well. Saurabh, take us through the charge sheet, which is almost 30,000 pages, where several of the Bollywood stars, including Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, their statements have been entered in the charge sheet. But 33 people have been named as the accused. If you can take us through a glimpse of any other stars, apart from Rhea Chakravarti, who has been named as accused in this charge sheet here?
Well, Nabila, in this whole case, Rhea Chakravarti has been termed as the most main accused in this case. And let me tell you that the NCB, which has filed the charge sheet, they have claimed that this is a huge syndicate. Syndicate means a whole nexus, the whole module of the drugs which was operating in Bollywood. In that way, NCB has filed the charge sheet. Now, it is not just 40,000 pages charge sheet, but it is over 52,000 pages charge sheet, because 12,000 pages of charge sheet is in hard copy format, and now the NCB did not wanted to make 40,000 charge sheet in hard copy, and therefore they have given this particular charge sheet in the format of a pen drive and submitted in the court. Now let me tell you, this whole case was started investigation in the month of August. In the last week of August, the first FIR was filed by the NCB officials. Later on, through the laws, 180 days of time is given to the officials that they have to file a charge sheet. So within 180 days, now the charge sheet is filed in this whole case. today at 11 a.m. in the morning, in the special NDPS Court of Sessions Court in Mumbai, under the guidance of Samir Wankhede, he was present over there. The charge sheet is now submitted in the court. Now, what will happen next in this charge, Nabila? This charge sheet will be properly examined. Now, after examination, this charge sheet will be going to all the accused. They will go through this whole charge sheet, and later on the dates will be fixed. After that, the regular hearing at the sessions courts will go on. But let me tell you, this is mammoth. This is the huge pileup of all the documents.
Saurabh, I'd like to ask you, considering that statements of the Bollywood stars have been entered in this charge sheet, is there any repercussion to that in terms of Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, even Deepika Padukone, what they've said, it's mentioned in the charge sheet. Does that really mean they will also be summoned henceforth?
See, they won't be summoned now, Nabila, in this case. In this case, now the hearing will go on through the advocates. Whenever there is necessary for them to appear before the court, they will be called in. But for the moment, they won't be called for the questioning. Because, let me tell you, they have clearly in the statement mentioned that they never used to take drugs. Now, in the statement
we did see the statements which is on the charge sheet as well, that they've, of course, refused to any consumption, supply, or procurement for that matter. But let me take you through Rhea Chakravarti and the charges that she faces currently, which is on the charge sheet as well. Rhea Chakravarti now accused of financing illicit drug trafficking. This is, of course, Rhea Chakravarti right after Sushant Singh's death. She also spent some time in prison, and now the NCB has drawn out this charge sheet where she's accused also of concealing information about Sushant Singh Rajput's drug consumption, saying that she knew very well that Sushant Singh Rajput was consuming drugs. She used Sushant Singh Rajput's house, in fact, to store as well as consume drugs. We're also looking at allegations of her discussing drug procurement extensively, and this has been, of course, gathered through the mobile phone, the chats, whatever they've recovered. Chats, mobile records that show drug payments as well. This is also something that's now under scanner, and she very well knew of the payment of drugs for Sushant Singh Rajput. More or less here, the NCB looking at the fact that she had full knowledge of exactly the drug supply, consumption, procurement for Sushant Singh Rajput, and she was an accomplice. Full knowledge of brothers' drug deals as well. Here is the allegation that's now surrounding and hovering over Rhea Chakravarti. She's now been named in the NCB charge sheet.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.